Hello, this is Mary with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair, and I just want to do a little quick video on how you can check on the status of your stimulus payment. So you'll go to this website up here, irs.gov, and you'll put in the search bar economic impact payments. Or I'm just going to make sure I put the link in here. That way you won't have to do the search. But anyway, you'll get to this part right here, filers, get your payment. And it says get my payment application tool. You're going to check on the status of your payment. And then also to confirm the payment type, direct deposit or paper check. And you're going to enter your bank information as well. It says update your bank account or mailing address. So if you don't have direct deposit information from 2018 or 2019 and they haven't sent you your payment, use the Get My Payment application bar, this little bar right here, to let us know where to send your check, where you send a direct deposit. And it says for 2019 filers, they will send you your payment using the information you provided with your 2019 tax return. So you don't have to do anything there. It's going to go to wherever you did your 2019, whatever you got to return it. And 2018 filers, if you need to change your account information or mailing address, then you file your 2019 taxes electronically as soon as you can, so you can go ahead and get your money. That's the only way to let them know that, hey, I have some new information, I have a new bank account, I have a new address, or whatever you have. So we're going to go here to get my payment. So it says you still checking on the status of your economic impact payment, your stimulus check. And this application will give you information about your payment status, your payment type, and whether they need more information, including your bank account information. So you're going to need your 2019 or 2018 tax returns right here. It said you may need them. But if your information is already there, you won't need them. So if you didn't file a return for 2018 or 2019, just check here if you have a filing requirement and you have not filed a tax return for 2018. You must complete a 2019 tax return to receive the payment. So they want to make sure that your information is on file. And this right here for non-filers, I did a video on that yesterday, and you can go back and check that out. But we're gonna go here to get my payments. Now, when you get here, it may stall for a while because a lot of people are trying to check on the status of their payment, and it said please wait here, and we're just gonna wait patiently. You're actually going to come to a screen like this, saying this U.S. government system is for authorized use only, letting you know you giving them consent to monitor, intercept, to record, or whatever you're doing on their system. So this is the IRS system, and they're going to record you. So just go here, click OK, because you ain't worried about all that. And it says you can't be completed at this time. Try again. We're going to try again. This system is very busy, y'all. Now we done came to the application page. So it says get my payment. So this is the first part of the page, what they're going to ask for, right? It's going to ask for your social security number. And you're going to click on this little question, make sure you understand what they're asking for. Your 9-digit social security number goes right there. Your date of birth, exactly how they tell you, your month, date, and year. Your street address, they only want right here, your main street address, 123 Main Street. They don't need your city or your state. They're just doing this for your identity purpose. And right here, they need your zip code. They just need your 5 digits. They don't need your -4, that goes along with it. And once you complete this, you're going to hit continue. It's going to take you to the payment information, your routing and bank account information. And then it's going to give you a status at the end. So once you get to this page, just complete it and go on to your next page. And, you can get the status of your stimulus check. So while you're on the application, if you have any questions, you can go to frequently asked questions right here. And they'll tell you about the eligibility, who is eligible, who is not eligible, how much is worth, do I need to take actions, and all that right here. They tell you about scams related to economic impact as well. So just make sure you go over this information and check on your money. All right, this is Mary Taylor, Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair. If you want your credit fixed, put Mary Taylor in the mix. You can give me a call at 833-522-0200. You can go to our website for a free consult. Just click on the scheduling button at www.betterdayconsulting.com. Thank you and have a great day.